good people, and welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this video. If today is your first time on this channel, you are welcome. We are happy, we are so delighted to have you here. Welcome to Joyton, and I do hope you will enjoy your stay here today. And we can never take your love for granted, okay? You are amazing. And on this channel, we'll be bringing you latest news and gist. And if you like to be family, no problem. Just go ahead and click on that red button down below and turn on the bell for notifications so you'll be notified anytime we upload new videos. And in this particular video, I am going to be watching with you. So with that being said, let's get into the video.
Are you going to have a wide screen to get all of us?
Yeah, that's what it was. Here, you just.
The Southeast Caucus of the National Assembly held an extraordinary session on Wednesday, September 15th, 2021, to review developments in the Southeast, particularly A, the security situation in the region, vis-à-vis the sit-at-home orders, and B, the detention of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Rising from the meeting, the caucus 1 expressed solidarity with our people of the Southeast over the marginalization of the region in the scheme of things within the Nigerian Commonwealth. The caucus feels the pains of our people and their quest for equity, justice, and protection of their lives and properties in every part of the country. The caucus therefore resolved to continue to fight for a level playing ground and an enabling federal system where Igbo are able to develop their homeland at their own pace and equally pursue their happiness and actualize their enormous potentials in every part of the country unmolested. 2, review the sit-at-home orders by the IPOB and the mayhem some nefarious elements have seized the opportunity to visit on the lives, properties, and psyche of our people. The caucus equally reviewed and viewed the incurable economic losses and hardships these have brought upon our region. 3, resolved to condemn in strongest terms the disruption of the ongoing senior secondary school certificate examination in some parts of the Southeast, particularly the incident at Comprehensive Secondary School in Kume, Njaba local government area of Imo State, where the English examination, organized by the West African Examination Council (WAEC) on Monday, September 13, 2021, was ruthlessly scuttled by armed men who chased away the students, teachers, and examiners before setting ablaze motorcycles belonging to the teachers. This is certainly not who we are as a people. On the contrary, we are a people who have always cherished and encouraged learning from the ages. We are a people that fully appreciate the place of education in liberation and enlightenment of the human mind and the socio-economic and political emancipation of a people. Equally condemned in strongest terms the incessant killings in the Southeast. This must stop immediately. We call on the security agencies to unravel the culprits behind these wicked acts and ensure that they are brought to book to serve as a deterrent to others. 5, noted with delight that IPOB has called off the Monday sit-at-home order and resolved to ensure that nobody uses them as facades to bring ruination on Igbo land. 6, call on our people to go about their lawful businesses and enjoin our governors and the security agencies to rebuild confidence in our people by not only ensuring the security of their lives and properties, but also ensuring that our people feel safe as they undertake their legitimate businesses. 7, elaborately discuss the issue of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and resolved to intervene. To this end, we resolved to set up a committee to constructively interface with relevant stakeholders, the federal government and its relevant agencies, towards finding a political solution. We will keep Igbo abreast of developments in this regard. 8, we appeal to our people not to allow anyone to destroy the Southeast region post-war Southeast was not built through government patronage, but largely by the sheer determination and sacrifices of our people, who refused to resign to fate or bow their heads in defeat. It is in Igbo land that you easily find hospitals, schools, roads, and other social amenities built by individuals or communal efforts of the people, home and abroad, through the instruments of the town union and other community organizations such as the age grades, Umuada, etc. The result is the comparative transformation witnessed in every nook and cranny of Igbo land post-Civil War. Therefore, as a people, we cannot begin to undermine ourselves or become our own nemesis. Times like this calls for introspection. We must also always bear in mind that our people thrive on industry, commerce, and the informal sector. Importantly, most of our people depend on daily income. Therefore, while we must fight for our rights and legitimately express our displeasure over every form of mistreatment, injustice, and inequity, we certainly cannot afford to be the proverbial lizard that ruined his mother's funeral. Anything that threatens Igbo business, the peace, security, and stability of the Southeast threatens our very existence as a people. Consequently, bearing in mind that if we allow cracks in the wall, lizards will invade our home, we must all put together as one people to discourage and resist any tendency and action, within or without, which pollute our businesses, our business environment, or encourage anarchy and instability in our region. Finally, we resolve to join hands with other patriotic Nigerians across regional, religious, political, and ethnic divides to reconstruct a federal system where our rights, happiness, and prosperity, and those of our unborn generation are guaranteed. Thank you.
Okay, guys, so that'll be all from us today, and we do hope to see you in our next one. And if you have not subscribed and you like the channel, go ahead and subscribe, okay? And turn on the bell for notifications so you'll be notified anytime we upload new videos. And if there's anything you would like us to know or any kind of suggestion you have for us, feel free and drop it at the comment section and we will get back to you. Until next time, bye for now.